Your brain is addicted, not to drugs, not to alcohol, to your own phone. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why you can't focus, why nothing excites you anymore, and how to fix it in 24 hours. Here's what nobody tells you about dopamine. It's not the pleasure chemical. It's the wanting chemical. Every notification, every scroll, every like, your brain releases a tiny hit of dopamine. Not because you're happy, because you're hunting. And hunting feels good until it doesn't. This is why you pick up your phone 150 times a day without thinking. This is why you sit down to work and can't focus for 5 minutes. This is why real life, conversations, books, nature feels boring. Your brain has been hijacked. I went 24 hours with no phone, no social media, no music, no YouTube, nothing. The first 3 hours were unbearable. I kept reaching for my phone like a reflex. My hands didn't know what to do. My brain was screaming for something, anything. But here's what happened next, and this is the part nobody talks about. By hour 6, something shifted. The noise in my head got quieter. I started noticing things I hadn't noticed in months. The silence stopped feeling empty. It started feeling like space. Space to actually think. Here's the science behind it. Every time you get a dopamine hit from scrolling, your brain raises its baseline, meaning next time you need more stimulation just to feel normal. That's why a walk outside feels boring. That's why reading feels impossible. Your brain has been trained to expect fireworks every 5 seconds. Real life can't compete with that. So here's the 24-hour reset. And yes, this actually works. Hour 1 to 3, no screens, no music, no podcast, nothing. Just you and the discomfort. Don't fight it, sit with it. That discomfort is your brain recalibrating. Hour 3 to 8, move your body. Walk outside, no headphones, just you and the world. Your brain will start producing dopamine naturally, the way it was designed to. Hour 8 to 16, do something with your hands. Cook, write, draw, build something. Anything that requires focus without a screen. This is where your brain starts rewiring. Hour 16 to 24, reflect. No input, just output. Write down what you're thinking, what you've been avoiding, what actually matters to you. You'll be surprised what comes up when the noise stops. Here's what I noticed after 24 hours. Everything felt different. Not dramatically, but noticeably. Food tasted better. Conversations felt deeper. Work felt possible again. That's not magic. That's your brain returning to its natural state. You don't need a month. You don't need a retreat. You need 24 hours of honesty with yourself. The question isn't whether you can do this. The question is whether you're willing to sit with the discomfort long enough to find out who you actually are without the noise. Try it today. One day, that's all. And if this made you think differently, subscribe to Brain Drift. That's where we go deeper.